some questions from the audience, please. Yes. Please just keep them very short and please identify yourself.
उषा जी नमस्कार।
नमस्कार।
आपको बहुत अच्छा लगा आपको सुन के, क्योंकि मैं कलकत्ता का वासी हूँ, यहाँ बहुत दिन बाद आया और अब मैं 76 हूँ, लेकिन ट्रिंकाज के ज़माने से आपको सुनता आ रहा हूँ और तब से आपका फ़ैन हूँ। जब से ट्रिंकाज ने बताइए आपका शायद करियर वहीं से शुरू हुआ और बहुत अच्छा लगा और सब गाने पसंद। अभी हाल में मैंने आई केम अक्रॉस टू ए सॉन्ग ऑफ योर्स, हालांकि वो आपका ओरिजिनल सॉन्ग नहीं है, अजीब दास्तां है ये, कहाँ शुरू कहाँ खत्म। और मुझे आपने जिस तरह गाया वो बहुत ही अच्छा, मतलब हृदय को टच करने वाला। और मैं वैसे चाहता तो था, लेकिन आपने मना कर दिया कि आज नहीं तो वो गाना इतना अच्छा लगा मुझे आपके मुंह से और आपकी आवाज़ में कि मैं क्या बताऊं। और कोई प्रश्न मेरे पास नहीं है, आपसे क्या प्रश्न करूं, आप तो वैसे ही इतना अच्छा, आपका संगीत ही आपका प्रश्न उत्तर सब कुछ है।
Very well said.
नहीं, लेकिन आप
किताब जरूर पढ़िएगा।
आप जानते नहीं मैंने क्यों गाया वो गाना। लता मंगेशकर जी की 75th बर्थडे थी और उनके सारे यानी जितने भी आर्टिस्ट थे सभी लोग गा रहे थे और सभी फैंटास्टिक नामी दामी सिंगर्स थे। मैंने कहा मैं क्या गाऊं, आई कैन सिंग ओनली लाइक माई सेल्फ। सो आई सैंग अजीब दास्तां इन माई स्टाइल और उनको इतना पसंद आया, वो खुद आके बोली मुझसे कि उषा आई रियली loved the way you sang अजीब दास्तां, it was really fantastic। आज हम लोग सब उनके लिए भी प्रार्थना करें because she's not too well and yeah, so I'm glad you said about अजीब दास्तां। Yes, go ahead।
Yeah, I'm Karika ma'am. I really love your voice. Like you and Shubha Mudgal ma'am came to my school 10 years ago or so, and you sang. And since then, like, I love your voice, and I've fantasized to. My fantasy was to hear you sing, if possible, with Nina Simone, but which can't happen. I love you singing jazz. My question was, which jazz singer would you really love to perform with if ever the chance came up? That was my first question. The second question was, what's the most meaningful moment music has given to you in your life? Like, what's the most meaningful moment you've had with music in your life?
With music?
Yes.
I think one of the most fantastic moments I ever had was when I sang along with Mama Africa, that is Miriam Makeba from South Africa, and also Mahalia Jackson, the world's greatest gospel singer. One of my happy, very, very happy moments. And who would I like to be with on stage singing something in jazz? I've met up with Al Jarreau, and I'd love to perform with him. Love to perform with Al Jarreau. Or Stevie Wonder. He may not be a jazz standard singer, but yes, Stevie Wonder would be wonderful.
Yes,
legend too.
मैम आपने कहा कि म्यूज़िक आपकी ज़िंदगी है, आप म्यूज़िक को छोड़ नहीं सकते, लेकिन कई बार लाइफ में जब हम बात अभी आपकी चल रही थी, कई सारे अप्स एंड डाउन्स आए हैं ज़िंदगी में। कई बार ऐसे मौके आते हैं जब आप काफ़ी लो होते हैं तो आप उस चीज़ को छोड़ देना चाहते हैं जो आपके सबसे करीब है। कि आपकी ज़िंदगी में कभी ऐसा मौका है जब आपको लगा कि अब मुझे गाना ही नहीं गाना, छोड़ देते हैं?
नहीं, भगवान न करे ऐसा कभी हो। अंजलि दी, कैन आई सिंग वन सॉन्ग फॉर यू? Okay, love you. Thank you for being here. हाँ,
नमस्ते।
नहीं, ऐसा कोई मौका नहीं आएगा। I'll never be able to. मैं गाना चाहती हूँ जब तक भगवान चाहे। He's the only power that can stop it. I'm like a tennis ball. जितने जोर से फेंको मुझे, उतने ही जोर से मैं वापस आ जाऊंगी। The only way is जब भगवान stop करेंगे। उम्मीद है कि वो अलाउ करेंगे मुझे और गाने। Thank you.
Usha ji, you have seen so many decades. Which decade do you think was the best and why?
I think this decade. I always believe in the present, really. It's been, because this decade is so amazing because we can see, I think we are the lucky people who have so much of the retro music. Yeah? All the 70s, 60s, all these wonderful songs are coming back now. And so I would say we are the luckiest people, our generation, everybody who's sitting here, yes.
That goes without saying.
उसी के लिए रमा जी
बिना माइक भी चल जाता। एक बात याद दिला के और उसी के साथ क्वेश्चन करेंगे। फर्स्ट टाइम यू एवर sang on a New Year's Eve on television, I was your producer.
My goodness
Yes.
me, thank you so much. आज भी मैं कहती हूँ और ओपनली कहती हूँ, शायद इस बुक में भी मैं कह चुकी हूँ कि दूरदर्शन जैसे रीच कहीं भी नहीं मिलेगा। और आज भी लोग मुझे कहते हैं कि they heard me on दूरदर्शन New Year's program.
That was my
Thank you for
program.
having me there.
And उस दिन आपके साथ गुरदास मान ने और एक पंजाबी गायिका है, उन्होंने जुगनी गाया। उसके बीच में टोटल हिंदी स्पीकिंग ऑडियंस में आपको एक ऐसा चैलेंज का सामना करना पड़ा कि हाउ टू बी रियली हिट, एंड यू केम आउट विद फ्लाइंग कलर्स विद ऑडियंस जिसको आधी आपकी अंग्रेजी आती ही नहीं थी। एज ए प्रोड्यूसर मैं तो ऊपर नीचे हो रही थी कि
Thank
मेरा
you
क्या
so
बनेगा।
much. Thank you.
मगर उसके बाद मैंने जब आपका इलिश मास सुना, ए लॉन्ग जर्नी यू हैव कवर्ड ऊंचा,
Yes.
एंड उसमें आपने
बंगाली में।
फोक को अपने साथ इन्वॉल्व करना शुरू किया एज ए फ्यूजन, एंड देन यू बिकेम अ वॉइस ऑफ द मासेस। So I just want to know a simple question: how much of the folk you have imbibed in you over the years from all over the regions you have worked or lived or gone to?
How much of?
Folk fusion.
Folk music is really everybody's music. People's music, really. We've never heard of animal music. It's only folk music, right? People music. So I'm a people singer, and जैसे मैं कहती हूँ, Bombay is my janma bhumi and Kolkata is my karma bhumi. और I feel that Calcutta आके I learnt a lot of folk music from Kolkata. वैसे क्योंकि मैं मद्रासी हूँ, South Indian folk is very, very strong in me, and I sing a lot of folk songs from there. But Padma Sachdev ji, is that right? She wrote a Dogri song for me. So I have, as I said, language was my strong point. So I do a lot of folk songs from Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Konkani, सारे प्रांतों के, आसाम। अगर यहाँ कोई अहमिया लोग हैं तो मैं जानती हूँ कि बरुआज हैं कि चले गए हैं, न हैं। Are you here, Neela and Mara? Okay, they've gone. Okay, I've done a lot of Assamese work as well. So folk music has always influenced my singing. And जब आपने कहा इलिश माचेर पातुरी, पुना माचेर कालिया, yeah, I've been doing a lot of work with Bengali folk as well. I think it's really amazing. Yeah.
They are, we are.
Hello.
Yes, there was a gentleman there, yes.
I'm here.
Yeah. And then.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah,
I'm
just
sure.
that question and then you. Yeah?
I'm waiting. No issue.
Thanks.
Usha, we've seen you and known you from the Trinkers days. And in those days, if I remember correctly, you started every program with a song called Fever.
That's right.
That was your opener when you belted them out.
I think he's written that
Yeah,
as well.
Fever.
And my sister very sweetly read out one line of Hindi, which she said she doesn't know how to read. But she read it so beautifully. She said, never know how much I love you. Fever. Yes.
Then, of course, I remember seeing you doing a cameo in Bombay Talkies in Sun and Sand, where you sang and Shashi and people were there.
Yes.
I was around then. And then you, of course, we all know about Dam Marda. My question is that initially when you came out, because you were A-lister as a performer, as a nightclub artist, when you came on to do film work, did you face resistance from music directors, from singers, etc.?
Not really. I mean, I think because my voice was so different, I knew right from the beginning that I wasn't going to get Hema Malini or Meena Kumari or the heroines of the show. I was always going to get the the bad girls in the film. But then it really didn't bother me, and I didn't get resistance like that, because I'm really no competition for people like Lata Mangeshkar and Asha Bhosle and all. Their style was totally different, I'm totally different, and I didn't get resistance like that. In fact, I think the music world and my fraternity really accepted me with open arms because I was different. And I have also had the Western idiom in me. Thank you. It's not how good or how bad a singer you are. I think it's how original a person you are. So.
Hello ma'am, I'm Bhavna Khanna. Basically I'm a journalist and very much big fan of yours since my childhood days only. My question is that कि जैसे ही सिंगर या एक गायक अपनी उम्र के दराज को पार करने की कोशिश में आगे बढ़ते हैं तो उनकी आवाज़ में वोकल कॉर्ड्स में कुछ डिफरेंस आना शुरू होता है. अक्सर ये माना जाता है कि अब वो धीरे धीरे अपने गाने कम कर देते हैं. इस विषय पे आपका क्या विचार है?
सी एक्चुअली आपने जो सवाल किए ना इसके लिए हमारे पास कोई फॉर्मूला या आंसर नहीं है क्योंकि जब मैं अब गाती हूँ एक्चुअली एज इज़ जस्ट अ नंबर एंड एज रियली डजंट हैव एनीथिंग टू डू विद एनीथिंग आई फील. लेकिन हाँ सच बात है कि you slow down. You have a lot of things which slow down in your life. But I've been very lucky because I feel myself now that I'm singing a little better than I sang before. Oh. Yeah, and this is charisma. Really, for me, it's God's grace. I feel that I'm slowly getting more mellow, more aware of the notes. क्योंकि मैंने कुछ सीखा नहीं life में. Music mein. I've never learnt any music. So with listening, constant listening, you get better. Now, on one side is the power of knowledge. People like Hariharan, Shankar Mahadeva, they're so fantastic. Chitra, Shreya Ghoshal, they're such brilliant, Sunidhi Chauhan, they're brilliant singers. But they have the power of knowledge, you see. So उसमें एक confidence आ जाती है कि मैं कुछ भी कर सकती हूँ या कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. हमारे लिए ऐसा नहीं है. If I have to learn a song, I put in a lot of rehearsals. सिर्फ notation लिख के मैं नहीं गाती क्योंकि मुझे पता ही नहीं है. I sing everything from my heart, जैसे आपने कहा आत्मा से गाती हूँ मैं. तो इसमें एक खूबी ये मैंने देखा है कि my voice luckily so far hasn't got me down. लोग कहते होंगे कि गज़ल सिंगर्स या क्लासिकल सिंगर्स के लिए ऐसा होता है या एक रेंज जो है उनकी बदल जाती है, लेकिन by the grace of God nothing has happened so far और आपकी आशीर्वाद से I don't think it will happen.
Ma'am, what are your future plans?
One last question, yes.
Okay. One wise man, I don't know who it was, once said that music can't be taught, it can be learned. So talking about knowledge you just said, how much importance would you give to formal training, whether it's classical?
Oh, it's very important. I don't have any regrets. But today's singers are all toiri voices, as they say. You know, they know so many people like Richa Sharma and, as I said, Shreya Ghoshal and every singer you see on reality shows. Amazing voices we have. The wonderful thing is that in previous years, I mean, pehle, we never got a chance even to listen to younger singers. क्योंकि कोई chance ही नहीं था. आज इतने सारे platform हैं. So that is really wonderful कि हम सुन सकते हैं to so many wonderful singers that our country is producing.
But did you go through any kind of formal training?
No, I had absolutely zero training. And I think in a way that's good because if I had to start learning later on in life, then your whole style will change. So I wouldn't have been able to maintain this, which is different.
Thank you so much. I think we'll have to...
Please don't get up. Rahul, just don't know.
Usha ma'am, मेरे
not ma'am, actually we call me Didi.
Usha जी, Usha दीदी.
Yeah.
मेरे पापा की पिछले साल कैंसर से मृत्यु हुई. वो आपके बहुत बड़े फ़ैन थे, आपका गाना बहुत पसंद करते थे. जो भी आवाज़ की समझ, संगीत की समझ थोड़ी बहुत हम लोग में आई, वो उन्हीं की वजह से आई. और मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि अगर आज वो होते तो मैं उन्हें यहाँ ला पाती और इस हॉल में जितने लोग बैठे हैं वो शायद सबसे ज़्यादा उनमें से खुश होते.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. You've been a wonderful audience. She'll be all yours very soon. But I want to say, आपने कहा कि इन्होंने duet बहुत कम गाए हैं, but ये जो duet है किताब का, it's a brilliant duet.
Thank you so much.
Both of you have collaborated to really create something that's really worthy of her life.
I think there's something about a journalist, ना? इतने persistent होते हैं, बाप रे बाप. It's impossible to.
At least that's a polite way of putting it.
No, that's
They're shameless.
I think that's really a big quality. If he didn't have that, persistence.
तो कावेरी आखिर में मैं बहुत शुक्रिया करता हूँ, और जैसा कि कहा कि कैसे एक जर्नलिस्ट काम करता है, तो एक शेर मैं कह के अपनी बात ख़त्म करूँगा कि कोई जगह हो न हो बना लेंगे जगह अपने लिए, कोई जगह हो न हो बना लेंगे जगह अपने लिए, मुझको मालूम है हुनर दिल में उतर जाने का।
So इन्होंने शेर सुनाया, मैंने बात करी, now Usha ji has to sing, right? What else? So I leave you all with her. Thank you very much for being a wonderful audience.